So today we will be discussing a case of giant retinal tear in a 14-year-old boy who presented with a sudden decrease in vision 3 weeks back, and on examination we saw there was a giant retinal tear. So the decision was taken to do pars plana vitrectomy, Pfcl silicone oil exchange, and to fix the retina. So here first we are removing the vitreous. In giant retinal tear there is some vitreous behind the retina as well, so we need to remove that also. And as this case is 3 weeks old, so we are expecting little bit of PVR changes as well. So, so here we are removing the vitreous. And now see, these are some pigmentary or PVR changes behind the retina. So with the help of diamond dusted scraper, we are removing those PVR changes. To remove the PVR changes from the edges of the tear is important, otherwise these chances of slippage of retina is there, and PVR may develop under the oil, which can lead to re-detachment. And see, these all PVR changes are behind the retinal surface, and now we are depressing to remove the vitreous from the periphery. It is also important to remove anterior retinal lip in giant retinal tear. This is the only condition where we need to remove this anterior lip. Otherwise, this lip can create PVR changes and later on can lead to re-detachment. We can depress and then remove it with the help of the cutter. See, now we are removing the peripheral vitreous. This is the anterior lip along with. So once we are sure we have removed all the vitreous and PVR changes, now we injected Pfcl just to flatten the retina. But as we were injecting PFCL, we noted that there were retinal folds which didn't flatten out. So this gives us an idea that there might be some traction remaining or hyaloid may still be attached. So with the help of the diamond dusted scraper, we are just trying to remove that residual hyaloid. And here you can see that hyaloid membrane is still there. So I stained it with Canacot for better visualization. And see, hyaloid was still attached. So we removed the PFCL and separated the hyaloid. See. See, there is a very fine membrane that was adherent to the retina, and with the help of diamond dusted scraper, we just lifted it up, and then with the help of micro forcer, we removed this membrane. See how fine it is. Now, once we have removed the fine membrane, we again injected the PFCL. Now we see slightly better than before, but still there is a retinal fold is there. Now see the retina is flattened, but that retinal fold is still there, which we will smoothen out with the help of scraper. So with the help of this scraper, we will just smoothen out or flatten the retina. Now injected, and once retina is flattened, then we started doing a 360-degree laser. So at least 3 to 4 rows of laser need to be applied in cases of GRT. And once laser is done, we did fluid gas exchange. This step is important to drain whatever residual fluid is there behind the retina. Otherwise, chances of slippage of retina is very high when we are doing PFCL silicone oil exchange. So you inject PFCL and remove the uh, fluid what is there behind the retina with the help of fluid air exchange. see the retina is flattened, and we have applied cryo to both the horns of the giant retinal tear. And then we did PFCL silicone oil exchange. We sutured the ports, and now our surgery is practically complete.